just picked this two up. It is fresh out of my peach trees. Well, actually peach tree. Before I have 2 peach trees, so and then both of them died. Lucky I was just chewing around and throwing the seed around the dirt, but somehow one of them got germinating and then growing to a tree. So I was lucky. So I'm gonna show you guys the proper way to induce germination with the cold treatment. So let's go ahead and do this. So after you eat your peaches and you get a whole bunch of the seeds, which is called the pit. It's a whole bunch of them right here. It's all dried up, kind of. So what I did is use this vice grip locking plier. What I did was I clamped this and just right enough pressure, and then I press it all the way down. So I cracked this into pieces, well actually 2 or 3 pieces. Okay, so as you can see the shell, it is pretty hard. Okay, and here is the seed. And then after that, you want to go ahead and then put this right in the middle. And then you're going to put like at least 4, 5, 6, or 7. And then fold this up. And another fold. And then fold on one side just to enough room to put into your Ziploc. So once you put in your Ziploc, you want to go ahead and put some water. You just want to soak it, not too much water in there, okay? And after that, you want to go ahead and zip it up. And put this on the refrigerator side, not the freezer side. Normally it's on the right hand side, the refrigerator side. And if you want, you could put like this is a white peach. And you can put on the date that you put this for germinating. So you want to store this in the refrigerator and then away from fruit in the temperature between 34 to 42 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, and then you want to go ahead and keep on checking. Normally it take about like 2 weeks or a couple months. And you want to go ahead and open it up and check on it, see if any of the root is coming out of the seed, okay? Normally the seed will come through from the pointed side, okay? And after that, if you got the root protruding, you want to go ahead and plant this with the soil and give water. So let me go ahead and demonstrate one for you real quick. So you want to crack from here to there, okay? You don't want to crack the flat side. But you want to go ahead and be careful. You might fly around. So I need to tighten up some more because this time it did not crack it. And be sure to grip it right here so it won't move around. Nope. I need to tighten up some more. If it's too tight, just loosen it a little bit. Oh, there you go. I hear a crack. Hopefully it did not damage the seat. So the seat is gone. Now I gotta search for it. Let's see. How's right here? See? Nice and perfect. You don't want it to damage the seats. So I gotta do the rest of them for this, and then put this in the refrigerator. Okay? And I need to put it right in the middle. So I'm gonna wait until I break all of them, and then spread out with the different Ziploc bag and paper, and put it in the water, so I get some moisture in there, and so the look could germinating. All right. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop me in the comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.